You see these cinematic 3D scenes and you think, wow, that artist must be a genius. But here's what nobody tells you about making 3D scenes. You build boring things first. You don't start with explosions or neon skylines. You start with a crumpled paper, or you spend hours modeling and detailing a saucepan that probably no one's going to notice in the background of your scene. Or a sad little trash can. Welcome to the glamorous life of a 3D artist. Setup, not magic. Most of your time isn't spent creating magic. It's spent dragging cubes around, resizing things for the 100th time, arguing with your own sense of scale. And things get really wacky when you have to estimate the size of a shelf compared to a table in the real world scale. We build from mistakes. Your first version, garbage. Your second version, slightly less garbage. But as you keep going through iterations, version 1, 2, 3, 15, maybe you've got something. Lighting and camera equals magic. You may have built a very detailed scene with a lot of props and realistic materials. Camera angles make your boring office scene feel like an endless dystopia. But it is lighting that turns your sad little cubes into cinematic glory. Finishing is the final boss fight. Starting a scene, easy. Finishing a scene, that's the final boss. You'll check hundreds of objects in your outliner, tweak the materials one final time, and make unnecessary changes to your volume scatter. But step by step, mesh by mesh, polygon by polygon, we build our cinematic scenes. Add real world details, scratches, stickers, variations in the different objects, and even small unnecessary things like coiled cables. Looking around your scene, finalizing your animations, checking your camera animation, and then hitting render. Just when you think you're done, you have more to deal with. You lose your files, your GPU runs out of memory, our beloved Blender stops working, and your UV map laughs at you miserably. But here's the thing, every world, every cinematic shot starts exactly the same way. One boring little prop, a stubborn artist who refuses to quit, and the desire to make every project better than the last one. This is Pixel Blender, building worlds one stubborn prop at a time.